How's it going? Okay. When you got a chicken problem, this is how you deal with a chicken problem. Rinse you, bitch. Time to move. Yeah. I don't move. You don't even, those aren't even yours. Look at your ass. Mine. What's wrong with you? Outside. Where are we? You almost broke the camera, man. I do apologize for such a rude and obnoxious interruption, but this is what we call a Bfbb. And no, get your minds out of the gutter, that's not what it means. It's a big, fluffy, black bird. This chicken business isn't easy, y'all.